Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. So students, we are learning computer subject and we have completed already 2 lessons and the revision is also done. So in the last episode we have started third lesson. What is the third lesson? Do you remember? Yes, that is parts of a computer. We have seen in detail the parts of a computer. So let us do the first revision of that and then we will solve the exercise. Everybody open the book. Page number 243. So this is your third lesson, parts of a computer. So in that we have learned the first, that is introduction. In the introduction we have seen there are 4 parts of the computer, that is monitor, CPU box, mouse and keyboard. Yes students, do you remember all these things? Yes, and even we have seen that computer, if we keep it on for a long time, it gets hot inside. So for that in CPU there is one small fan. It keeps the computer CPU box cool. Next we have seen monitor. What is monitor? Monitor looks like a television screen and it shows what you type or draw on a computer. So whatever you type or draw with the help of keyboard and mouse, it displays, it shows on the screen, that is monitor, and even you can also watch movies on it. Next, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit and it is the brain of the computer and it also stores information. The CPU makes all parts of the computer to work. CPU is the brain of the computer. So it makes all parts of the computer to work. And we have also solved this activity number 2. And we have seen the keyboard. What is keyboard? Keyboard has many buttons and it is called keys. You can press the keys to type numbers and letters. This is called typing. Yes, next is mouse. What is mouse? A mouse is a computer pointing device. It is called pointing device and it has 2 buttons and 1 wheel on it. It is helped to point to the different things on a monitor. And students, do you know why it is called mouse? Yes, as I have told you, it looks like a real mouse. If you have seen a real mouse, it looks like a same, so it is called mouse. And nowadays if you see, you can see a different shapes, colors and size of a mouse. As you wish, you can take it. Already you can see here now 3 different color shapes. It is there. So as you wish, you can take. So today we are going to solve activity number 3. So what is the activity number 3? Tick the object that are parts of a computer. So here 4 object is given. In this, which are the parts of computer? That is monitor, second is keyboard. Is the remote part of computer? No. Is that mouse part of computer? See, mouse is a part of computer, but this real mouse it is not the computer mouse. So we should not tick that. Real mouse, does it help to operate computer? No. Yes. Next, activity number 4. What it is? Yes, it's like a game. You like to play, no? Yes, let us start. Monitor, keyboard and mouse are connected to the CPU box. With the help of wires, draw wires in different colors to connect the given device with CPU box. So you can see a different parts of the computer. but the main brain of computer, that is CPU, it is in middle. So you have to join with the help of wire all these parts of computer. If you join with the help of wire to CPU, then only the computer will work. So you have to join it. So let us start. You try by yourself, I will try by myself. Let us see who will complete it first. So first, mouse. We will take a mouse wire to join CPU. So from where we will start? Here to right, again down, left, down, and I have connected to CPU. The mouse is connected to CPU. Okay, next, monitor. Let us try for monitor. Yes, I will take different color so that you will understand. Monitor wire I have took and I have started joining it. Should I go down? If I go down, it will connect to the keyboard, but I have to connect to CPU. So you have to go straight and then up and then join to CPU. Come on keyboard, do by yourself. I am not going to do your keyboard, you do by yourself. I will wait for a minute. Keyboard you have to do by yourself. Okay, very good. So you have found keyboard and you have connected to CPU with the help of wire. Yes? Very good, students. So let us see the next page. Activity number 5. You have to discuss with your parents. Just like a computer has a different parts, our body has a different parts too. Which part of our body can be called CPU? Yes, which part of the body can be called CPU? You have to discuss with your parents or your brother or a sister. Okay, so there is one thing that a computer system can have many additional parts. Leaving these main 4 parts, there are additional parts. So which are those? Those are printer, speaker, microphones and headphones. But these main 4 parts, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse, these are the main 4 parts. You compulsory need those parts to make a computer, to work a computer. And leaving those 4 parts, the additional parts which are printer, speaker, microphones and headphones, these are additional parts. If you want, if you require, then only you can join this. So all additional parts also have a specific function. Yes, each part has its own specific function. For example, printer is used to take a print as a hard copy. Speaker is used to listen music, watch the movie by listening the dialogues. Yes, those all are having its own functions. So let us do recap of this lesson, that is the 4 main parts of a computer are, yes you can tell, the 4 main parts of the computer are monitor, CPU, box, keyboard and mouse. So students, have you understood the lesson? Yes. Now let us solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. So here there is a fill in the blanks. So with the help of given words, you have to write the answer. Here you can see a helping box. With the help of these words, you have to fill it here and you have to make a complete sentence. Okay, the first one is a dash has 2 buttons. So which part of the computer has 2 buttons? Keys? No. Mouse? Yes, a mouse has 2 buttons and 1 wheels. So you have to write here mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. As it is afterwards, the capital letter should be first letter, but already here A is written capital, so M will come a small letter. You have to write there mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse has 2 buttons. Next is a dash has many keys. So which part of the computer has many keys? Yes, very good students. It is keyboard. So write here keyboard. Small k e y b o a r d, board, keyboard. You have to write with pencil. Okay. K e y key, b o a r d, board, keyboard. Done? Yes, the third one is the dash can store a lot of information. So what you can store? Where you can store a lot of information? In CPU. So write here CPU, CPU. And CPU stands for, yes, Central Processing Unit. Fourth one, a dash looks like a television screen. You all know what looks like a television screen? Which part of the computer looks like television screen? Monitor. Very good. So write there monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. And last, the buttons on the keyboards are called, yes, keys. Very good students. Write here keys, K-E-Y-S, keys. Write it fast. First one is a mouse has 2 buttons. First answer is mouse. Second one, a keyboard has many keys. Second answer is keyboard. Third one, the CPU can store a lot of information. Third answer is CPU. Fourth, a monitor looks like a television screen. Fourth answer is monitor. Fifth, the button on the keyboards are called keys. Fifth is keys. Okay, now B1. Unjumble the words to find out the names of the computer parts. So here the 4 computer parts names are written, but it is unjumbled, means ulta pulta it is written. The words are not written in the correct word. So you have to see what it is and you have to write here correct words. So are you ready? The first one. So how to find out? See, we all know there are main 4 parts of the computer. So first is monitor. So what is the spelling of monitor? M. Can you find your M? Yes, it is. So write here capital M. Next, O. Can you find O? Yes. Next, N. Can you find your N? Yes, N. Next, what will come? I. Here it is I. Next, T. Then O. Here you can see 2 O are there. And last is R. So first part of computer we have found, that is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. The second one is, yes, it is very easy, that is CPU box. You have to write here capital C, P, U, and leave little bit space and write B-O-X, box, CPU box. Third, keyboard. What is the spelling of key? K E Y, key. See, as here all it is in capital letters, so we are writing here also capital. And what is the spelling of board? B O A R D, board, keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. And last is mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? Capital M O U S E, mouse. Capital M, all letters should be capital. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Done, everybody? First one is monitor, second is CPU box, third is keyboard, and fourth is mouse. Okay, C1. Label the computer parts given below. So here the computer picture is given, you have to label the parts. Now you all know which parts name are there. The parts names you all know. So let us start. What is this part of computer called? It looks like TV screen. And what it is called? Monitor. Come on, write here monitor. Capital M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Next, what it is called? Keyboard. Capital K E Y B O A R D, keyboard. Next, which box is it is called? CPU box. C-P-U-B-O-X, box. Last, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Come on students, write fast. I will wait for a minute. Check the spellings while you are writing. Don't write wrong spellings. So, you should learn the spellings. We have seen the exercise first, that is fill in the blanks. A mouse has 2 buttons. The answer is mouse. Second, a keyboard has many keys. Answer is keyboard. Next, third one, the CPU can store a lot of information. Answer is CPU. Fourth, a monitor looks like a television screen. Answer is monitor. Fifth, the buttons on the keyboards are called keys. Answer is keys. B1, we have made unjumbled words to the proper words, that is parts of computer. The first one is monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Second one is CPU box, C-P-U-B-O-X, box. Third one is keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Fourth is mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. And last, we have labeled the parts of computer. First one is monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Next, keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Next is CPU box, C-P-U-B-O-X, box. And last is M-O-U-S-E, mouse. So students, have you done this page? Now come to next page. Match the computer parts with their functions. So here the computer parts are given and here the functions. Functions means what they do. The first is keyboard. What keyboard does? What keyboard do? It helps to type numbers and letters. So you have to join this. So you have to join it, keyboard to D1, that is it helps to type numbers and letters. Next, CPU, second one is CPU. What does CPU do? Does it helps to point things on the screen? No. Does it shows what you draw or type on the computer? No. Is it a brain of the computer? Yes, it is the brain of the computer. So you have to join to C. Mouse. What does the mouse do? It helps to point things on the screen. That is A. Very good. Next, last, that is monitor. What does monitor do? It shows what you draw or type on the computer. So you have to join it to B. So students, have you done? First one you have to join to D. Second one you have to join to C. Third, mouse you have to join to A. And fourth, monitor you have to join to B. Done? Next, count the numbers of computer parts. How many computer system can make from these parts? So here, can you see the images that there are so many parts of computer. So you have to count it and from that you should tell how many computers we can make. So first, number of CPU box. How many CPU box are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write here number 4. Next, number of monitors. Monitors, can you identify? Yes, so you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write here number 5. Done. Next, number of keyboard. So you can see here keyboards. Come on, count that keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many keyboards are there? 5. Next, number of computer mice. How many are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many are there? 7. So here you can see the number of CPU box are 4. The number of monitors are 5. The number of keyboard are, how many it is? 5. And the number of mouse, that is mice, those are 7. So now tell me how many computer you can make. To making for a computer, what you required mainly? Yes, who will tell me? Who will tell me? Yes, the main thing CPU. How many CPU are there? 4. So, how many computers you can make? Only 4. Very good, students. If CPU is not there, you cannot make a computer. Done? This will be your homework. This is your homework. So what it is? Find 5 difference in the given picture. One has given done for you. One has been done for you. So here there are 2 pictures. It looks like same, but there are 5 different things in that. One is done. Here the pens are not there, but here the pen is there, so it is circle. So remaining 4 you have to search and circle the things which are not there in one picture. Okay, and the next activity is, these are the additional parts of the computer, so you have to write about it. For example, the first one you can see speaker. Why speakers are used? To listen a music. So you can write here about it. Understood? So students, here we have completed the 3rd lesson, that is parts of computer. I hope you all have understood the different parts of computer and those functions. Okay? So in the next episode we will see the next lesson. Up till then you have to do revision of all these 3 lessons. Okay? Take care. Bye bye.